Yeah, and so we're making our way back, making our way down the slopes of Helderberg. It's been a fantastic hike, and look at the trail. Wow. Yeah, there's something I was just saying to Johan that the trail, I mean, it's a lot more green than just a couple of months when we were here, and the rains haven't really started in earnest. And yeah, it's just it's incredibly beautiful. But clearly, yeah, as the vegetation grows, it would um, sort of like hinder the views somewhat, at least the immediate views, because I know towards my left there's a bit of a valley, um, and I'm quite sure that the last time we were here, the valley was a lot more visible um, than it is at the present moment. But yeah, it's almost like the vegetation that has grown definitely makes up for that. And so, yeah. Yeah, yeah, it's an incredibly beautiful place. So we're heading straight back now, and but definitely enjoying it. Um, and we estimate it's going to be about an hour uh, to get to the bottom or to get to the start of the hike, the starting point. But yeah, in the meanwhile, we continue to just enjoy all this, and just to give thanks to the Creator um, who created all this. Um, and as I've said before, it all points back to Him. Thanks and God bless.